The scars of the pandemic are etched deeply across the U.S., with communities shattered by mass death.
They think he's not going to make it.
And healthcare workers pushed to the brink.
Around late summer, we realized that we were not going to be able to control this the way that we had hoped to. There were just so many factors at play.
One of the wealthiest, most developed nations on the planet suffered the worst possible outcomes.
This is a global pandemic.
It all began with another president and another primetime address exactly 1 year ago.
We will ultimately and expeditiously defeat this virus.
Instead, Donald Trump ignored the science, downplayed the risks, and made public health political.
There are a lot of people think the masks are not good.
If we had reacted appropriately, there is a possibility that a lot of the effects could have been avoided.
Cheeseburger! 1 year later, states are once again rushing to reopen. Texas has fully lifted its mask mandate and capacity restrictions, even as more contagious variants spread, defying medical advice and the realities of the virus.
We're so close to the finish line. It makes me feel like we're going to mess this up right at the end.
Perfect. Especially when there's so much to be hopeful about. More than 2 million people are being vaccinated every day. 1 in 4 adult Americans has already received their first dose. A year of hopelessness has slowly given way to optimism that it might all soon be over. Jackson Proskow, Global News, Washington.